Hi Sarah, how are you today? Did you have a good weekend?
Hi, Mr. Brown. Yes, I had a great weekend. I went to the park with my family and we had so much fun.
Sounds like fun. You know, Sarah, I was thinking about how you're learning English. It's awesome that you're getting better every day.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I'm trying my best.
And you're doing great, but I also know learning a new language can sometimes feel like work. So, I wanted to talk about how we can make it more fun. What do you think is the most fun way to learn English?
I think playing games is really fun, especially with my friends. We like to play Simon Says and sometimes we even make up our own games.
That's fantastic. Games are a wonderful way to practice speaking and listening. What kind of games do you like to play?
We like to play I Spy too. We say I spy with my little eye, and then we try to guess what the other person is looking at. It helps me learn new words.
That's a great idea. You're using your vocabulary and practicing your listening skills at the same time. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read picture books. They have lots of colorful pictures and simple words.
Excellent. Reading is a great way to learn new words and improve your understanding of English. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like stories about animals and princesses, and I like books with funny pictures.
I see. You're learning while having fun. And you know, there are other ways to learn English while enjoying it. Have you ever watched English cartoons?
Yes, I love watching Peppa Pig. It's so funny.
That's great. Cartoons are a fantastic way to learn English because you can hear the words spoken clearly and see the actions happening at the same time. Do you understand most of what they say?
Sometimes I don't understand everything, but I'm getting better. I can understand some of the words in the story.
That's amazing. You're learning by listening and watching. And you know, even listening to music can help you learn English.
Really? I love listening to music.
Yes, you can learn new words and phrases by listening to English songs. You can even try singing along with them.
I'll try that.
You know, Lily, learning English is a journey. There will be times when it feels like work, but it's important to remember to have fun along the way.
You are right, Mr. Brown. I will keep playing games, reading books, watching cartoons, and listening to music. That way, I can learn English and have fun at the same time.
That's the spirit, Sarah. I'm so proud of you for your hard work and your positive attitude. Remember, I'm here to help you along the way. If you have any questions or need any help, just ask.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I'm happy to be learning English with you.
And I'm happy to be teaching you, Sarah. Now let's go back to our lesson and see what new words we can learn today.
Okay, Mr. Brown.
Part 2. Overcoming the Challenges of English Fluency.
Hello, my dear. I'm so glad to see you today. I understand you're interested in improving your English fluency. That's wonderful.
Yes, sir. I want to speak English like you.
That's a great goal. Let's talk about some ways to overcome the challenges you may face.
Okay.
First, Let's start with the basics. You need to build a strong foundation in the language. That means learning the alphabet, sounds, and grammar.
I'm already learning that in school.
Excellent. Keep practicing. It's like building blocks. The more blocks you have, the stronger your house will be.
I understand.
Next, it's important to immerse yourself in the language. Read books, watch movies, and listen to music in English. This will help you absorb the language naturally.
That sounds fun.
It can be, but it's also important to be patient. Fluency takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately.
I'll try my best.
Wonderful! Another tip is to find a language partner or tutor. Speaking with a native speaker can help you improve your pronunciation and fluency.
I don't know anyone who speaks English.
That's okay. There are many online platforms and apps that connect language learners with native speakers.
That's a good idea.
Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to learn from them and keep practicing.
I won't give up.
I'm confident you can do it. Remember, overcoming challenges is a part of the journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the progress you make along the way.
Thank you, sir. I feel much more confident now.
You're very welcome. I'm here to support you every step of the way.
I'm so glad I met you.
The pleasure is all mine. Let's continue working together and achieve your goal of English fluency.
Additional tips for overcoming challenges.
Set realistic goals.
Don't try to become fluent overnight. Break down your goal into smaller, achievable steps.
Create a dedicated study routine.
Set aside regular time each day or week to practice English.
Find a method that suits you.
There are different ways to learn English. Find the method that works best for your learning style.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help from a teacher, tutor, or language partner.
Celebrate your progress.
Acknowledge your accomplishments along the way. This will keep you motivated and on track.
Remember, learning a new language is a journey. Embrace the challenges, stay persistent, and you will eventually reach your destination of English fluency.